Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube video without a camera. Yes, you heard me right. You don't need a camera to make amazing videos for YouTube. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. Sounds too good to be true? Well, let me prove it to you. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to 5 different ways to create YouTube videos without a camera, using various online tools and software. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own videos using images, animations, voiceovers, music, and text. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first way to create a YouTube video without a camera is to use screen recording software. Screen recording software is a program that captures your computer screen and audio as a video file. You can use it to record tutorials, presentations, gameplay, or anything else that you can do on your computer. For example, if you want to teach your viewers how to use Photoshop, you can use screen recording software to record your screen as you demonstrate the steps. Some examples of free screen recording software are OBS, Cam Studio, and RecMaster. You can download them from their official websites and follow their instructions and tutorials to learn how to use them. The second way to create a YouTube video without a camera is to use text-to-video platforms. Text-to-video platforms are services that convert your text into a video with artificial intelligence. You can choose from different templates, voices, and backgrounds to create engaging videos without showing your face or voice. For example, if you want to make a video about the benefits of meditation, you can write your text in the platform and let it generate a video for you. Some examples of text-to-video platforms are Synthesia, Lumen 5, and InVideo. You can sign up for free on their websites and follow their instructions and tutorials to learn how to use them. The third way to create a YouTube video without a camera is to use stock footage. Stock footage is a collection of pre-recorded video clips that you can use for your YouTube videos. You can mix and match different footage to create a story or illustrate a point. For example, if you want to make a video about the best places to visit in Europe, you can use stock footage of different European cities and landmarks. Some examples of websites that offer free stock footage are Envato Elements, Pexels, and Pixabay. You can browse their libraries and download the footage that suits your needs. The fourth way to create a YouTube video without a camera is to use animation tools. Animation tools are software that allow you to create animated videos with characters, objects, and backgrounds. You can use them to make explainer videos, education.
Animation tools like Vyond, Powtoon, and Toonly are your allies. Imagine creating a video about the history of chocolate. With these tools, you can weave a captivating narrative featuring animated characters and scenes, all centered around our beloved cocoa treat. To get started, sign up for free trials on their websites and follow their step-by-step guides to master the art of animation. Now, on to the next method, voiceover narration. This technique is all about lending your voice to your video, adding depth and personality. It's your chance to explain, opine, or narrate. Picture this: a video about your favorite books, narrated by none other than you. As you speak passionately about these literary gems, images or clips of the books can play out in the background, creating a rich, immersive experience. To achieve this, all you need is a microphone or an audio recorder, and an audio editing software like Audacity or WavePad. Both are available for download on their official websites, complete with instructions and tutorials to guide you through the process. And there you have it. 5 intriguing ways to create YouTube videos without a camera. From harnessing the power of animation tools to adding a personal touch with voiceover narration, we've covered it all. If this video sparked your interest, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more insightful content. Curious about which method resonates with you? Or perhaps you have a few suggestions or inquiries of your own? Feel free to express your thoughts in the comments section. We're eager to hear from you. On that note, thank you for tuning in and see you in the next video.